ఆధార్తో సంబంధం లేకుండా ఆయుష్మాన్ భారత్ వర్తింప చేయటం వల్ల అవకతవకలకు అవకాశం కలుగుతోందని రాజమహేంద్రవరం ఎంపీ పురంధేశ్వరి అన్నారు. ఈ పరిస్థితిని నివారించడానికి చర్యలు తీసుకోవాలని కేంద్రాన్ని కోరారు. లోక్సభ ప్రశ్నోత్తరాల సమయంలో అడిగిన ఈ ప్రశ్నకు కేంద్ర ఆరోగ్య శాఖ మంత్రి జేపీ నడ్డా స్పందించారు. ఆధార్తో సంబంధం లేకుండా ఆయుష్మాన్ భారత్ కార్డులు ఉన్నవారికి పథకం వర్తింపజేస్తున్నట్లు నడ్డా తెలిపారు.
Sir, Ayushman Bharat is a wonderful program which helps reduce the out-of-pocket expenditure for the poor, which is pegged at around 39% today. Sir, our former Chief Minister, Shri Jagan Mohan Reddy ji, had failed to pay the private hospitals and because of the dues that were outstanding, now even Ayushman Bharat is being affected because Arogya Shri, a program run by the state government, is today clubbed with Ayushman Bharat. But having said that, sir, my supplementary would be to question 163, section C, wherein the question asked is about the assessment of the Ayushman Bharat scheme. Sir, as per the scheme norms, every patient who is availing the benefit of Ayushman Bharat is expected to produce his Aadhaar identity and then avail the scheme. But many a times the Aadhaar card is not presented, and then the patient is required to give a written, signed declaration that he would produce it when he goes to avail Ayushman Bharat for the second time. But unfortunately, many a times there have been patients who have been availing the scheme without producing the Aadhaar card. So my question to the Honourable Minister through you, sir, is that has there been an assessment of such kind of pilferages that have been happening in the system? And if so, what are the measures that have been taken to control this kind of pilferage? Thank you, sir.
I would like to enlighten the Honourable Member that the question does not relate to Ayushman Bharat. The question relates to the Aadhaar card, the health accounts. So, and the Minister has explained, and I have also explained how this Aadhaar card is helpful for the patient and the confidentiality is maintained. As far as the Ayushman Bharat is concerned, although the question is not related to, the question asked is not related to this question, but yes, as far as the Ayushman Bharat PM-JAY program is concerned, it is being run by National Health Authority, and in that National Health Authority, there is a constant mechanism of supervision. We also have a direct connect with the state health authorities, and we always see to it the quality of service being given, the payments being done, and the patient satisfaction. All these three factors are taken into consideration, and it is a continuous process, it is a regular process which are being done. When there are questions being raised by the members that the claims are not settled, it is sometimes it happens because when the state government does not give its share, then it happens. The State Health Authority of Ayushman Bharat should ensure that they should put their shares in time so that the patients are, the hospitals or the institutions get the payments in time.